The lead truck moves slowly into position, aligning its rear towing system with the disabled truck behind it. Using an automatic towing mechanism, the system locks onto the rear truck without manual effort. Sensors confirm a secure connection as the towing arm extends and tightens. Once engaged, both trucks synchronize their braking and steering systems, allowing the front truck to pull the one behind smoothly and safely. The automatic towing ensures stability, reducing the risk of sudden jerks while both vehicles proceed forward in a controlled motion.